Hello and welcome to the Siam Center Law Group podcast, where we explain the law in simple terms, useful in real life, and most importantly, to help you prepare before it's too late. Today's topic is something nobody wants to happen, but everyone should know, because sometimes it comes out of nowhere. You're just at home minding your own business, and suddenly the police show up with a warrant. They search your house, and they find illegal drugs. The big question is, you're not the owner of the drugs, but can you still be prosecuted? Let's walk through the 10 key criteria Thai courts use to decide whether other people in the house might also be guilty. 1. Quantity of drugs. If it's just 5 or 10 pills, it might be believable that others in the house didn't know. But if it's hundreds of thousands of pills or several kilos, it's very hard to claim ignorance. Large-scale drug storage is hard to hide and hard to deny knowing about. 2. How the drugs are stored. If they're extremely well hidden, maybe you didn't know. But if they're in open view or in common drawers, it's more likely the people in the house knew about it. 3. Drug paraphernalia and related evidence. If drug tools are lying around everywhere, pipes, syringes, packaging, that's strong evidence the house is being used for drug activities, and others might be aware. 4. Behavior when police arrive. If you're calm, cooperative, and allow the search without hesitation, that supports the idea that you didn't know. But if you run, try to hide things, or destroy evidence, that's suspicious behavior. 5. Prior investigations and intel. If prior investigations only point to the main suspect and not others in the house, the court might believe those others weren't involved. But if informants say others helped, delivered, or handled the drug, that's a problem. 6. Relationship with the drug offender. If you're closely related, like a spouse or family member, and you rely financially on them despite them not having any legal income, the court may not believe your claim of ignorance. 7. Household assets and financial status. If no one in the household works, yet the house is luxurious and full of expensive items, the court will question where the money came from and whether others benefited from illegal activities. 8. Urine test results. If you test positive for drugs, it strongly suggests that you not only knew drugs were present, but possibly used them too. You might be viewed as part of the circle. 9. Where the drugs were found. If they're in someone's personal belongings, like their bedroom, clothing, others might be able to claim they didn't know. But if the drugs are found in shared spaces, like the living room or partner's clothes, that excuse becomes weaker. 10th, past criminal behavior or joint offenses. If you've helped before, been involved in sales, delivery, or use, or even have a record of aiding previous crimes, the court will consider that you're likely involved again. So to sum it up, just being in the same house as illegal drugs doesn't automatically mean you're guilty, but the context and evidence around you matters a lot. Thai courts don't judge based on one fact alone. They look at behavior, relationships, assets, test results, and past conduct. And this is exactly why we at Siam Center Law Group want to make sure you know your rights and know what to do if something like this ever happens to you. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Spotify, YouTube, or wherever you get your podcasts. At Siam Center Law Group, we bring the law closer to you in ways that are easy to understand and apply in real life. Until next time, take care and goodbye. Om.